Good morning. Today I'm going to be unboxing some boxes. I got a lot of stuff for the computer. We're going to do, well, I think this is my computer stuff. Some kind of tech stuff. We got some boxes here to do it. To unbox. I sound really funny right now. I just woke up out of bed. Good morning, rise and shine. The water weight is strong. Look at my eyes. Look at my... And I'm using Orland's camera, so, well, this is for his channel. You guys, I know people are like, you're taking over his channel. No, I'm not taking over his channel. He wants me to be here. I want to be here. We're a family. It's not like... Here's the thing, you guys know, Orland is limited with the type of content he can create with regard to food, which is what everyone wants. And also, I want to get him to 100K, and I want him to get a check mark. And it'll be faster if I'm here and I'm bringing more of my viewers over to help support him, because... You know what I mean? So, please don't get mad. He's not upset that I'm here, and I'm happy to be here too, so, we're a family. We don't even think twice about it, but I'm looking at some of the reviews under our channel, and they're like, Nick's taking over his channel again. I'm like, taking over? What? Okay, so, I don't even know what this is, but this is something from Amazon. Oh, yay, they arrived. Okay, so I got some new tripods for my camera. That's heavy. Wow, I got two. That's heavy. Wow, that's actually a lot bigger than I imagined. Thank you, Amazon, for your nice packaging. Let me show you. Okay, so you can look at this one, and I'll open this one. This is called a flexible tripod. Now, I used to use something called the Joby Gorilla Pod, which a lot of YouTubers use. I didn't like it. The balls, you know what I'm talking about? They look like beads that you stick up. Okay, some grown-ups might know. You know, it looks like that. Yeah, well, I wouldn't know. I've never done it. Ooh, oh. Everything's falling down. Okay, well, that's what it was. And they would pop off and get loose and break and snap and lose its tension, and I really disliked it. I used it for years, and I'm like, I need to just... It's about time that I get something good. I've been using that piece of junk ever since I started my channel. You know, sometimes, like, you know you don't like something, but you just use it because you haven't brought yourself to buy something new. Okay, so this is the same idea. It's flexible. See these legs? But they can bend and twist. Ooh, that's actually really sturdy. Look at that. Oh, I see what it is. Oh, okay. All right. It doesn't have a shoe, which I wish it had a shoe. So that's something, a little piece you stick on your camera to attach to the tripod or whatever. It doesn't have that, but that's okay. But they have this, which will hold your cell phone, and they can also hold just a regular camera. People use their DSLRs. Now, I use very small little handheld cameras. I don't use big fancy cameras for my eating shows. Some eating channels do, I think. Can you even see this with all the black? Here, let's turn it. There. Hey, I got two of them. Yeah, you saw my first unboxing video, what I got. So, that's gonna be for that. And here's the other one. And what's this piece? Oh, screws, bolts. Yay! Oh my gosh, everything's so dark. Looks like I'm floating in outer space. Okay, let's open up this. Let's see what this is. Oh. Tear along the lines. I can read. We can read. I keep looking up at the camera, not directly into your soul like this. It's because I look orange. And I'm also just very swollen. Every time I look up, I'm like, who's that? Oh my gosh, the water weight is for real today. Oh, okay, we got another... this doesn't come with a plug, Orland. Oopsie doopsie. So this is for... We needed another charger for our phone.
They sell them separately because Apple's a scanning company.
Really?
You buy it separate.
You had to buy it separate?
That was a $20 cable.
This was $20.
Yes.
$20 to charge your iPhone.
Hashtag Apple. And the little thing to charge it was like $30.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
So it was $50 for the cell phone charger.
It would have been $7 on Amazon. But you told me you wanted original.
Well, everything I read is that the Apple... What? So this is a $70 charger?
Yes.
Are you for real right now?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Oh my god. Because everything, see, we both have iPhones. He has my old one. His is iPhone 6. Mine is iPhone 8. Mine was gifted to me and then it got passed down to Orlin. I was like, Orlin, let's get your new phone. I was like, no, let's just take your phone. So anyways, the chargers have broken over time, and everything I read online says if you get one of the, well, please help me in the comments. If you get an Apple charger and you compare it to a non-Apple charger for the Apple device, does it mess it up? Does it make the battery weaker? Does it, you know, degrade the longevity, potential longevity of the device? Or is it all just rumors that Apple puts out to make you buy their expensive $70? I remember my first cell phone, the whole phone was a flip phone. No, it was a sliding keyboard, came out. And the whole phone was probably $70.
Oh, a Sidekick?
I don't know what it was. You slid it down, it was blue, and had a little keyboard. Oh, I loved that phone. And I think the phone itself was less than $100. To charge your iPhone is gonna cost more than that. Oh, I am just shocked, Orlin. And then on Amazon, did Amazon have good reviews?
Yeah. But you wanted Apple.
Because I'm afraid I don't want to mess up our devices. I want to keep it lasting for as long as I can. Yeah, this I just got recently, well not recently, a year ago, finally upgraded to an iPhone 8, and everything's fine with it. I just don't, I want to make it last a couple years. I'm not one to get a new iPhone every single time a new one comes out. Maybe in the future if I get rich, but we broke here. Oh my gosh, it's so embarrassing how broke I am, and I'm a YouTuber. It's actually really embarrassing, but it's not my fault. It's YouTube's fault. Okay, so, wow. I did not know that was $70, Orlin. You probably didn't tell me because I would have just been confused all day, not know what to do.
I think it was more like 40 or 50.
Oh.
I
Okay.
think it's 30 for the little house, for the charger, and like 20 for the cable.
Oh. So that's 50. Still, anyone can look it up and verify it on Apple and then compare it to the Amazon one.
The computer charger, that was $70.
So this is my computer charger. Oh, you're thinking of this. So I had to get a new computer charger. And know what's so funny? We ordered this right before my computer broke. So this is gonna go straight back to, well, should I open it up and then put it back in? Yeah, might as well. It's an unboxing video. I ruined the surprise. So you guys know, my computer broke. I've tried to hang on to it for dear life. It's 2012. I really thought I could get a good 10 years out of it. I mean, if you're spending $2 grand on a computer, what do you mean you can only use it for a couple years? Ridiculous. And I got the battery replaced, got the screen replaced, got the logic board replaced. I got all this kind of stuff redone and remade on that computer, and it died a year later. Because remember last year I came here and did all that? So yeah, the computer's dead. It's currently at Apple right now, getting its information transferred to a new computer, which I had to suck up and purchase. Oh, gosh. I think it's too people don't like change. I really want to make that last, you know? Wow, I'm having difficulty opening this. Watch Nick do unboxing so you can see how he manhandles things. Look at this. My tools. Confused as ever, like, ah. Okay, so I think the rest I can just pop it. There we go. Pull it. Oh, here we go. The $70 charger, which will be returned. Look at that. Yep, that's going back. Because the computer's dead. And know what, Apple? I'm pretty sure the new Apple computers use different plugs. Because, you know, that's what Apple does to keep you buying their stuff. Oh, I still can't believe that was $50 for a charger. Anyways, this concludes my unboxing video. Oh my gosh, wow. I hope I like these. I hope these don't break either. They're supposed to bend. See, like, look at this. If I want to, like, wrap it around like this, look, and it sits here. See the legs? I just twisted them out. Could wrap it around a chair. See, I was afraid to do that because now I can't perfectly straighten them. They'll never be perfectly straight again. Oh no, it's like Play-Doh. Ooh, but there's like wire inside. I'm excited for this though. I think it's good, especially because my cameras are lightweight, the Canons. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Well, first I'm waiting for my new computer to be done. It might take a week, they said, for them to transfer the old files onto the new computer, whatever. So I need to see the return policy for this. Make sure, because honestly, if it is gonna work for my new computer, I'll probably just keep it. Because you need backup chargers, you know. One time I learned a couple times I learned a lesson not to have backups of these things, because my job is the computer. My job is the computer. And yeah. So bye. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is Orland's channel, and he does unboxings and he does mukbangs sometimes, and I do mukbangs sometimes. And yeah, thanks for spending time with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.